Hi, this is D. Lakshmi Rajam, TGT Social Studies, North Addanki. Today, we learn the lesson Earth Movements and Seasons. Human beings live along with a large community of plants and animals. We can observe constant change in the course of the year. The flowering and fruiting of trees and plants, changes in the animal activity in our surroundings. As months pass by, you would have noticed that trees shed leaves, stand bare, new shoots come forth, they flower and fruit. You may have also noticed that in different times of the year, you get different kinds of vegetables and fruits. Curvature of the earth. You have already studied the impact of the spherical shape of the earth and how this causes different distribution of heat over the earth's surface. How the region around the equator becomes warmer than those near the poles. Earth's rotation on its own axis. The earth rotates or goes around just like a top spins. What does it go around? It actually rotates around an imaginary line which joins the North Pole and the South Pole. This line is called the axis of the Earth's rotation. All parts of the Earth go around this line once a day. In other words, the Earth takes about 24 hours to rotate or go around its own axis. It moves from the west to the east. If a globe is facing you, it rotates from your left to the right side. Earth's revolution. The Earth revolves round the Sun while rotating round its own axis. That is, it spins like a top and at the same time keeps moving forward around the Sun. Earth revolution takes about 365 days and 5.56 hours. The Earth revolution causes the formation of seasons on the Earth. Seasons. Seasons occur on the Earth due to the differences in temperatures, curvature of the Earth, the surface of the Earth that bends gradually, Earth's tilt, move into a sloping position. The Earth's axis tilt at 23.5 degrees. Axis of the Earth. The axis is an imaginary line drawn from the North Pole to the South Pole that passes through the center of the Earth. It has a tilt of 23.5 degrees. Temperature belts. There are 3 temperature belts on the Earth. One, tropical belt. Second one, temperate belt. And third one, polar belt. Origin. In the North Pole, the sun does not rise high in the sky, but only stays just above the sunrise point. This is called the origin. The sun shines over the tropical of Cancer on June 21st. The sun shines over the Tropic of Capricorn on December 22nd. The sun shines over the equator on March 21st and September 23. Equinoxes on March 21 and September 23rd. Throughout the world, day and night are equal in axis. So, these are called equinoxes. Sun on the Tropic of Cancer is June 21st. Sun on the equator is on March 21st and September 23rd. Sun on the Tropic of Capricorn, December 22nd. Throughout the world, day and night are equal in size or equinoxes, that is March 21st and September 23rd. The 66.5 degree north latitude to 90 degree and north latitude that place is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 degree south latitude to 90 degree south latitude, that circle is called Antarctic Circle. Northern lights visible in northern polar region occur during the seasons when the sun does not rise above the horizon. The seasons in this region are very peculiar. This region is away from the sun during winter months and does not even get any sunshine in the day. That is, for 6 months there is no sun on the poles. The next 6 months, if it constantly faces the sun throughout the 24 hours of a day, there is no light or darkness. A place which has 6 months of day and 6 months of night. Even during the day, it gets very slanting rays of the sun. The sun does not rise high in the sky, but only stays just above the sunrise point, also called the origin. So it never gets very hot. So for 6 months it is freezing cold. So cold that an entire ocean, the Arctic Ocean, remains frozen throughout the year. So cold that the soil becomes frozen like a hard rock, and the roots of trees cannot penetrate them. So trees just cannot grow in this region. When the sun appears for 6 months, the snow melts part of the seed to melts. Small plants like moss, lichen and some flowering plants grow